Sir,
Yeah,
screen is not sharing.
you have to share the screen. So
I
you have to
can't
go
do
to
that.
share button. Who is presenting? Share and you have to go to entire screen. In entire screen, there is a rectangular box. You have to click on the rectangular box. Then the share button will become blue in color. And then you have to click on it. Go to entire screen. Then there is one rectangular kind of a box. You have to click on that. Then the share button will become blue in color. Yeah, who is trying? Neha, you're trying. Neha, are you trying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so can you find the share button, third button from the bottom?
Yes.
Then after you click that, you will find three buttons, three tabs:
Yes.
Chrome, window, entire screen. Click on entire screen.
Okay.
When you click on entire screen, in below there is a two buttons, share and cancel. Share will be disabled, but when you click on that rectangular box, it will become blue in color.
Okay,
And
okay. Thank you, sir.
share system audio, make it on. All of you, place share system audio, make it on. Then you can share the button. Share the. Okay, Neha, please start.
Okay, sir. Good morning, everyone. I'm Neha Hande from third year CSC. Today, I want to talk about an important concept in machine learning and natural language processing, perplexity. If you have ever wondered how we measure how well a model understands language, perplexity is one of the key metrics we use. So, what is perplexity? Perplexity AI is an AI powered search engine and research assistant designed to provide direct, accurate, and cited answers to user queries. It leverages large language models and real time web searches to generate relevant responses with the sources, making it useful tool for research, fact checking, and general knowledge exploration. Here are some of the features of Perplexity. Perplexity AI gives direct answers with sources, while Google provides a list of links that users must explore. Let me show you a demo. If I ask what is quantum computing, Perplexity AI gives a direct and accurate answer, whereas in Google, it provides multiple links for the same question. So, Perplexity AI fetches updated information from the web and it reduces the need to visit multiple websites by summarizing the information. And also, Perplexity AI includes sources in its answer, making it easier to verify information. For example, It will give the answers with the citation number. We can see that. And also, we can view source that are used here. Some versions of Perplexity retain conversation history for more personalized experience. Let me show a demo. First, we ask what is deep learning, and then after getting the answer, if I ask how does it relate to neural networks, it remembers previous context without needing repetition. So finally, we can say that Perplexity AI is a powerful tool for anyone who needs reliable and fast information without having to browse multiple websites. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Neha.
Thank you so much, Neha.
It
It
was a good one.
was a good one.
Lubna to start with Cursor.
Lubna to start with cursor.
To share the screen, third icon from below, share. You will get three tabs. The third tab will be entire screen. When you click on entire screen, you have to click on the rectangular box and the blue button will get enabled. Start immediately, Lubna. When you share entire screen, please enable audio so that audio from your system is enabled. Yeah, start.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Lubna from third year CSE, and I'm here to explain about the Cursor AI tool. Cursor AI tool is an AI powered code editor which is working very similar to the VS Code. The only difference between the VS Code and the Cursor AI is the additional feature that it holds in it. That is, the Cursor AI can provide you with the documentation, it can provide you with the summary explanation, and also give you correct the errors that you are facing to solve it. So here are a few key features which is provided by the Cursor AI. I will provide the demo for this. So let's see one by one. The first feature it holds is AI autocomplete and code suggestion. So AI autocomplete and code suggestion is, suppose let us take a demo. Like if I am writing a code that says if is prime of n. So here you can see the AI is already suggesting me the few codes. So simply if I press on the tab button, it displays, it gives all the codes. So here the manual work will be reduced and it will accept the suggestions to save the time. The next feature it provides is the AI powered chat assistant. Now suppose if I am going to give any incorrect code, for example, if I give it as print hello world. So here as you can see the AI is already suggesting me the correct code, but what we can do is we can simply focus on this thing and then click on command L, that is control plus L, and here you can see on the my right side there is a chat box that appears with a code. So if I give the question like what is the error. So here it provides me the solution to my problem. So this is how the chat box is gonna work. The next feature it provides is code refactoring and debugging. So code refactoring and debugging, it works in very simple way. Suppose if I provide any code, for example, if I give it any inefficient code, that is sum of numbers. So here you can see I'm already getting the suggestions. What I can do is I can simply paste this. So here is a code. Now I can simply focus on this and then press command plus L. So here it is. Now if I give the question saying refactor this for a better efficiency. So this is I'm getting the solution. So based upon the steps provided by the chat box, we can get a better efficiency in our provided code. The next feature it holds is a natural language code generation. So in the natural language code generation, what we can do is in the chat box, we can simply write a question that we want to code for. Simply if I give the question that is generate a Fibonacci for n numbers. So here is a code that it is providing. So here again it is going to decrease our manual work. So this is how this will work. This is what it makes different from the VS Code. And the last feature that it provides is the AI powered documentation. So basically in VS Code, the VS Code is not going to help us to understand the complex programs. Like it does not provide us an explanation for this. So in the case of this, we can simply copy this and ask the chat box to add documentation for this. So here you can see that it is trying us to explain and make us understand about how what is the logic behind the code and how is this code gonna work. So this is the difference between a cursor AI and VS Code. So this is not just for the Python. We can use any languages, any programming languages can be used. And basically, you for downloading this, we need to go to the Google and press on the cursor AI, the first link that you get. So here you cannot sign in. You need to download this based upon your system. Thank you.
Thank you, Lubna. That was a very interesting use of Cursor AI. Next is
Thank you.
Pragna Shettigar with Gemini AI. Over to you, Pragna. Please share the screen and start.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Pragna, and my topic is about the Gemini. Gemini is a highly advanced multimodal AI model which is developed by Google. It it's it is designed to be a flexible and capable of understanding and operating across various types of information, including text, code, images, and more. Its goal is to be helpful in wide range of tasks, from generating creative content to provide insightful information and assist with the complex problem solving. It is being integrated to many Google products. It helps to improve the user experience. The Gemini works with the search maps and assistant has in the phones. So the user can interact with Gemini through different inputs like text, voice, image inputs, and code, and also can integrate to the apps. This Gemini works with the YouTube Maps and search also. So there are three versions in the Gemini. The first version is 2.0 Flash, which is designed to provide everyday helpful works. It will give a quick response to any asked questions. Like we can ask, we should select this version, and then we can ask, like an example, give a quick summary about today's news. It will give the summary of the news, and it give an option, like drop down option where we can click this content. It will connect this page to the other website where it will give a detailed information about this news. And in this it will give a quick response, that's it. And in the next version, that is thinking experimentally, that is will this version is optimized for the multiple step of reasoning. It will give a stepwise content, which gives a reasoning information of that given input. Like me, it can handle more complex thought processes and logical problem solving and all. For the we can give a input like solving problems or any steps, like give the process of photosynthesis. It will give like a stepwise answer. Here is the stepwise answer given by the Gemini. And the last version is 2.0 Flash thinks experimentally with apps. Here the this version will integrate with the Google services like YouTube Maps and search, allowing it to provide a better response based on these apps. So we can find the contents of this app, we can ask the Gemini, like give me a best YouTube channel or a YouTube video to any programming codes. It will give us some links which can be seen through the YouTubes and all. The and Here is a, we can also use Gemini Advanced, but it's not mandatory to use. We can also use the normal Gemini, but in the Gemini Advanced, it asks the paid subscription. So we can also pay the subscription and use the Gemini, which is more powerful than the normal Gemini. It will give a better explanation, which will asked by the user. So it's not mandatory to use the Gemini Advanced. You can use normal Gemini also. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Pragna. Over to Maulya for Copilot. Maulya, click on, yeah,
Hello, sir. Can you see?
yes, please start.
Okay, my topic is about Copilot. Copilot is nothing but an AI assistant app that is integrated with the Microsoft 365. Whether you're working on Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or Outlook, with the help of this personal AI, it makes it more easier and more efficient to do our work. So it generates reports, summarizes the documents, even drafts the email. We can even create presentations with this. So today I'll show you the how we can use the Copilot to in order to uh, improvise our work and make it efficiently in our projects. So first, when the example that I'm taking to explain the Copilot features are planning a birthday party. Because planning a birthday party or organizing a birthday party can be overwhelming because we need to create a venue list, guest list, budgets, invitations, etc. Um, but with the help of Copilot, we can make things easier. So, in Word, if we are integrating the Copilot, uh, here we have the Copilot option. I will ask it to give me. um, I want to create a birthday plan, including venue, decorations, uh, games, and food. If I ask it to generate some content, it has generated me some content like I can insert this directly into the Word file and make the changes based upon it. Say, like, it asks me if I want to if I want to specify any venues or add any decoration ideas, or I can even create a table regarding to it. This is the Copilot icon. If I click on that, it will ask me to write a prompt, auto rewrite, or visualize it as a table. So let me visualize it as a table. So it gave me a detailed explanation regarding that, the content that I've just posted in the form of table, which makes it easier to understand. So it helps in summarizing the content overall. It even has a feature of editing, making it checking the spellings, grammar, clarity, formality, etc. Then we can even use it in the in the Excel and PowerPoint. In Excel, we have the Copilot here. Let me add some content. List of birthday expenses and its estimated cost. So I can just copy this or I can ask it to insert it to the table. So I'll get the detailed explanation of regarding where I'm expending the um, budget and which has to be reduced or which has to be increased based upon my needs. I can even ask it to create a guest list and their food preference. And I have inserted that into the sheet. This makes it easier to work on, and even I can edit this if I want to and add more columns or rows as needed. So this is how I work with Excel using Copilot. It makes it easier. It even helps in analyzing the data based on the data what it has been uploaded here. Then we have the PowerPoint. Here we can create the slideshow, which can be used to play in the party Here I'm going to consider displaying some memories and countdown. And a thank you message. Here I can delete this if I want to, or add new topics based upon my preference. And here I'll give generate slides. I can manage those designs based upon the features that I want, like adding the confetti or something, like using this designer tool, which is also available here, which makes it more attractive to view. It's just taking time to load. So I'll give it keep it and slideshow. I can change the contents based upon what I want and remove the things. So by this, I created a plan, a full birthday plan from drafting a birthday organizing, from drafting to organizing and later creating the slides. So it made me save time, kept everything organized, and it provided me with the contents that I can change or according to what I prefer, and enhance everything based on the design that I want. So it helped me create the Copilot was helpful in creating this project. Thank you.
Thank you, Molia. That was a good outline of how to use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint powered by Copilot. Thanks a lot, Molia. Next is Svetnath with ChatGPT. Please click on Share button. You'll get three tabs. Click on Entire Screen. You'll get two buttons, Share and Cancel. Share is generally disabled, but when you click on that rectangular patch, the share will become blue in color, and then you can start sharing. Svetnath, we lost Svetnath. So Kirtan Nayak can come in.
Hello, sir.
Kirtan
Can you hear
Nayak,
me?
please come in. Svetnath will come in the end because his internet connection
Hello,
is
sir.
slow.
I'm there.
Yeah, please start, Svetnath.
Sure. Hello and welcome all. Today, let's explore GPT-4, Scholar GPT, and TutorMe, powerful AI tools shaping the future of learning and knowledge. GPT-4, the brain behind it all, OpenAI's most advanced AI model capable of understanding and generating human like text. It's used in ChatGPT, coding assistances, content generation, and more. Let's go with an example. Suppose, explain quantum computing in simple terms. Wow, impressive, isn't it? It's great for general knowledge, coding, creating content, and more. Now, we'll get into Scholar GPT. Ever struggled with academic papers? Scholar GPT is built on GPT-4 and designed for students, researchers, and scholars. Here, Scholar GPT summarizes a research paper, explains complex terms in simple terms, finds academic references and insights. With Scholar GPT, research becomes easier and faster. We'll go with an example. Okay, suppose we have a practice problem on Python or yeah. So suppose I type give me 10 practice problems in Python. We have specific areas here and then we'll get specific problems accordingly. So now Scholar GPT helps in easier and faster concentration of such topics here. The third topic or third tool is TutorMe, a personal tutor which is available 24 bar 7, that is an AI tutor that explains concepts step by step, solves problem with detailed solution and adapts to our learning style. For example,
You have reached the end of your limit for using GPTs, so that's why it is not
yeah,
giving you the answer.
yeah.
Yeah, if you can conclude, we'll go to the next person.
Yeah, sure, sir. So these AI tools, GPT-4, Scholar GPT, and TutorMe, are revolutionizing how we learn, research, and solve problems. Try them out and experience the future of AI-powered education. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Kirtan, please start with Codium.
Yeah. Hello. Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yes,
Am I
please
audible,
start.
sir? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes. I'm sorry if there are any disturbances in the background. So, yeah. Good evening, everyone. I'm Kirtan from third year CSC. So today I'm going to speak about Codium AI. So Codium AI is based basically a AI-based platform where students, developers, and all can use this platform so that they can enhance their coding and increase their productivity, and it also helps in code generation, etc. So uh, basically, if we talk about the use cases or the features of Codium AI, it can help us in code auto completion, code generation, code optimization, and it can also give us some explanation or documentation. So another feature is it helps in it supports multi languages like coding languages, etc., Python, C programming, etc., and it can be integrated with the 40 plus IDEs and tools like visual editors and all. So basically, this is our homepage of our Codium AI, and here we can see this tab. And on the right hand of this tab, we have an option called as download. So whenever we click this option, we'll get a Codium extensions, what and all extensions it supports. So basically, everyone, most of us used Visual Studio Code. I have already set up this Visual Studio Code extension in my computer laptop. We have some more extensions like Jupyter Notebook, which everyone knows, Google Colab and all. So let me jump to the VS Code. So I have already installed this extension. If you want to install, you can install from the website itself, or else you can come to this VS Code, and under this option, you can type for Codium AI. So there you can directly install. So this is how you install your extension. Then after you install, you'll get an option on this sidebar, like different extensions. So when I click this Codium AI option, I'll get a Codium chat. So now basically, let me start how to use this. Uh, for example, I'm in a Python file now. So if I press Control I in our Windows, you'll get a top bar suggesting like what code you want. So let me give a code like give me a code to find the sum of first 10 integers using loop. So it processes the prompt which we have given. It takes some time. That's you can call it as a disadvantage kind of thing of Podium AI. Yeah, and another disadvantage is that you can see the line number one and line number 10. So it's basically the what you say. It's auto generated. If we directly run it, we'll get an error. So first thing I'll do this. I'll remove these lines. Okay, yeah. So I have got a code that is it has auto generated a code of first 10 integers. Let me run this. Yeah. So here I have got so here you can see that 55 is our answer. So directly the sum of first 10 integers is 55. So our code has worked. And if I talk about code auto generation, another example, I can go like I can write a function uh, is prime. Okay, so you can see it's auto suggesting that whether this can be your set of code. When I click the tab, it basically generates the suggested content, and yeah, here it brings to your VS Code. Okay, so here the function is called. Okay, let me try running it. Yeah, so it's running properly. So enter your password properly. So this is the
Yeah, did we lose Kirtan?
So if I go and click is prime, that is example1.py. Py is a Python file. So it selects that, and if I type like explain this, okay, sorry. Uh, yeah, here it has given you some explanation that this is a is prime function and etc. If I give this course name, it explains you what each and every line and how each and every line functions. So some it also gives us some efficient codes like this could be better or smaller than this kind of thing. Okay, yeah, that's regarding the efficient code, and we can work with the HTML also. So let me start. I will press Control I so that I'll get space where I can add my query or prompt. So I'll type give me a web page of different headings. So it directly gives me a basic code where we'll have different headings from ranging from H1 to H6. So I'll run this. So I have got this as our output. So it was a basic heading page where it showed the different types of headings. So this is how you work with the Codium AI along with the Python and HTML coding. Yeah,
Thank you,
that's all for
Kirtan. Thank you, Kirtan.
yeah.
Over to
Thank you.
Kandukur Harshita for Google AI. Harshita, please share.
Yes, sir.
You'll get three tabs. Click on entire screen, and then there will be, yeah.
Good evening, all. And my topic is Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is a free online AI tool where we can test, experiment, and build AI powered applications without installing any software. It is a developer friendly platform for experimenting with Gemini AI models. Here I am in create prompt session where we can give prompt like in a text format, or we can upload a image, or we can send a audio message. Uh, Let me try with uploading, giving a text like give me code in Java for sum of first five integers I have given. This is a response from the AI. Here we have options like setting model. We have so many models in AI Gemini, and it is a temperature, and it is a new feature where the temperature is low, we can get a common responses. Where the temperature is high, we will get a random response which is different from common response. And it is the output length. We can also adjust the output length according to our output. And here we have a stream real time option where we can share our screen to the AI to ask questions, queries. And if someone who don't know about prompting, they also use microphone here to ask queries. And we can also use our camera to show the present situation and ask questions to the AI. For coders, we have Get API key, where AI Studio supports and provides developers to integrate AI into web or mobile applications. Here we can get API key
where we can use this AI model in our web applications. This is used with programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and Node.js. And we have one more option, tuna model, where we can like we can train a Gemini AI model according to our specific application by importing our dataset, where the Gemini AI model is trained according to our dataset. Then we can use that AI model in our applications. And we also have a library where our search history is directly saved in Google Drive. And these are all for coders, developers, for API documentation, and we also have a prompt gallery. It suggests us how to give prompt to the AI models. And we can AI can write, complete, and debug code in multi-programming languages. AI Studio integrates with Google Cloud, and it supports team collaboration in real-time applications. Thank you.
Thank you, Harshita. I invite Pranav Naik to talk about 11 Labs.
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay. So, hello guys, my name is Pranav, and so I am going to talk about 11 Labs. So, this 11 Labs is a text to speech AI. It's an AI tool. So, it is used which has many features such as text to speech, voice cloning, dubbing, etc. etc. So, it is useful for various apps. Oh, okay, so now about these detailed features. So now I'm going to show you through this website. So I'll click on this get started free. Yeah, so this is the home page where I can so where you have many options such as instant speech, audiobook, AI agent, podcast, sound effect, dub video. And so to was design, I can go either here or in these options. I can use. I get this app. This was design, and so suppose I want to write a text so like SMVRTM is a good college which has good infrastructure, skilled faculty, and many more. And so if I click on generate voice, it generates the voice of some other else. So okay, so it's asking to provide some text between 100 and 1000 characters. So I'll add few more. Okay, so I'll generate the voice.
SMVITM is a good college which has a good infrastructure, skilled faculty, and many more. It has a well-designed library which contains many educational books.
So now we have saw that this text what we had displayed. So it is generated by some other people. So if you want to clone our own voice, like you can go to this section, clone your voice, and instant voice clone. So while entering this, it will ask for only 10 seconds of audio required. So now I am going to record the audio. So I'll start recording. Yeah. So hello guys, I'm Pranav Nayak. So I'm going to display about the features of 11 labs and what are the features available in this 11 labs. So now I have stopped recording. So now this it displays this. Now it displays this one, and so it has additional features. So can remove background noise from audio recordings, and so I'll click next. So voice information. Suppose I'll give my name itself. So the value I can I'll select English. So label, add label. So can I ask about a label, accent, gender, or age? So accent means it will select Indian. So let me click. So if you want to add more labels, you can add it. And so for the description, you can use you can copy the content from other websites, or if you want, you can lay a description. You can write the description such as, yeah. Sorry. Okay, so I can write this description, and I'll say save voice. So it will ask about three types of features. So generate speech. So you want to generate a speech. So I will go. Okay, so again I will. Oh, sorry, it's asking about this. So I'll again do that. Okay, so hello guys, today I'm going to show you the presentation of 11 labs and what are the features and various types of features available in this. So sorry for the previous interruption. Okay, so I'll write, yes. Okay, let it be, yeah, English. So label, so be Indian. Description you can give anything. So I'll skip. So here it will display what. So it will display what's my voice. So click on that. Colors bring photographs to life, painting stories with light. Yeah. Colors bring photographs to life, painting stories with light. Yeah, so it clones my voice. We're thinking that I am speaking, but this actually I am not at all speaking. And so other voice changer has some voice features and so record audio. I will start recording. So this is Pranav Nayak going to this creating showing you the voice changer and what is this what does voice changer does. So it will generate speech and start recording. So this is Pranav and I am going to be creating showing you the voice changer and what is this what does voice changer do does. Okay, so whatever I speak, so it will ask about. So this will create the file. So you can download this, and it will get saved in downloads file, downloads part. Okay, yeah. So it has many features such as sound effects.
Yeah, Pranav, I think
Yeah,
time is
Pranav,
up.
I think time is up.
Anything else you want
Okay.
to?
Anything else you want to?
3 minutes is the deadline.
3 minutes is the deadline. Okay, so sorry for extending.
Yeah. Okay. Now I think I saw Samarth. Samarth, Adobe Firefly. Samarth, please share the screen. You'll find 3 tabs. Share entire screen. Then if you click on that rectangular box, you'll see a blue button called share. Your audio is not working. Microphone seems to be disabled. Your microphone is not connected or not working. Is it possible for you to plug out and reconnect? You can come out of the meeting and join again. Yeah, thanks all of you for joining. After summers will close. All of you should try to finish in 2.5 minutes instead of 3 minutes. I think with practice you can complete in 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes. Yeah, tomorrow the session will be in the classroom, not in the conference room. And please try to do your best. Samarth, please try again. Okay, if Samarth is not able to connect to the mic, we will close this session now. Thank you very much for all of you. Bye.